Don't pass on what could be the best chance of your life. People's destinies are presently being altered by XRP Ripple. Though a lot of things are going on behind our backs, do you know what matters most? XRP Ripple's price is about to soar to previously unheard of heights. Online, there are rumors that the cost can go up to $10,000 or even $500. And trust me, this is a topic that prominent people are discussing. Let's investigate what's happening. Withdrawal. Imagine a scenario in which the remarks of a single man have the power to rock the Bitcoin industry as a whole. That's precisely what happened with Larry Fink, the chairman and CEO of BlackRock. Even the most seasoned investors were taken aback by Fink's recent public endorsement of XRP, a move that caused a stir in the financial community. Let's now explain it to people who are unfamiliar with the cryptocurrency world. Not just any investing company, BlackRock is. Handling trillions of dollars in assets, it's a massive organization. Thus, as Larry Fink talks, people pay attention. What was his take on XRP, by the way? It was more than just a casual nod or remark, though. Fink declared that a $10,000 valuation for each XRP was not only possible, but also essential. Give that some time to register. In traditional finance, the person we are discussing is an authority figure, someone who supports XRP and is well respected and influential worldwide. It's like to receiving a seal of approval from Wall Street's very own king. However, what makes this endorsement so significant? To begin with, it gives XRP a degree of respectability that very few other cryptocurrencies can match. Many investors believe that the recognition of XRP's potential by a prominent figure such as Larry Fink indicates that the company is more than just a speculative asset. Rather, it is a viable player in the financial industry. Furthermore, Fink is not speculating when he mentions a $10,000 valuation for XRP. He is pointing to a time when XRP is going to be very important to the whole financial system, where its utility and adoption decide its value rather than just market speculation. For individuals who might be unfamiliar with the cryptocurrency space, Larry Fink's support for XRP is therefore more than just a press release. It's an indication that a significant event is approaching. The potential that many in the XRP community have been preaching about for years is validated by this. And if Fink is right, we might be seeing the start of a new chapter in the history of XRP, one in which its value soars above all expectations to previously unthinkable heights. Isn't that an absurd estimate of price? It is a very bullish indication, and we cannot ignore it lightly. Even more intriguing is the fact that this is only the beginning. Now let's go on. Suppose that some of the largest financial firms like Vanguard and BlackRock begin to consider using XRP for cross-border transactions. This isn't just some ridiculous notion, though. It's a plausible scenario that might have a significant impact on the Bitcoin market as a whole. XRP isn't just any cryptocurrency. You see, its primary purpose is to enable quick and affordable cross-border payments. Therefore, it's a tribute to the coin's usefulness and potential when major institutions like BlackRock and Vanguard begin to contemplate adopting XRP for international transactions. The concept of an exchange-traded fund ETF with an XRP concentration, however, is even more intriguing. If you're new to investing, an exchange-traded fund ETF is essentially a means to invest in a collection of assets without having to purchase each one separately. Thus, investors might benefit from XRP's potential without having to deal with the intricacies of the cryptocurrency market themselves if there was an ETF dedicated to XRP. Let's now change our focus and discuss tokenizing real estate with the XRP ledger. I know this sounds a little technical, but please stick with me. It truly is revolutionary. Tokenizing real estate just entails putting real estate assets on a blockchain, in this example, the XRP ledger, as digital tokens. Therefore, investors can purchase and exchange these digital tokens, which represent ownership of a portion of the real estate, in place of purchasing physical property. Now, what makes this such a major issue? To begin with, it makes real estate investing accessible to a whole new group of people. Real estate is becoming more accessible to the general public by allowing investors to purchase smaller pieces of tokens, eliminating the need for significant sums of money to purchase real estate. This is where things become really fascinating, though. Real estate tokenization may result in a large increase in XRP's value. You see, the demand for XRP may rise sharply as more real estate assets are tokenized on the XRP network. Those who own XRP may profit if its value rises as a result of the increased demand. In conclusion, XRP may become more widely used and legitimate as a result of the consideration of XRP for international transactions by major players like BlackRock and Vanguard, as well as the potential creation of an ETF with an XRP concentration. Furthermore, the prospect of tokenizing real estate on the XRP ledger adds even more promise to the future of XRP and its investors. What have you thought thus far about that? Will those behemoths of finance manipulate the XRP Ripple price? Now, this classification may appear confusing to someone who is unfamiliar with the world of cryptocurrencies, but let's explain. A cryptocurrency that is classified as a security is subject to strict laws that control its issuance, trading, and general functioning within the financial system. This designation has significance and influences the coin's worth as well as its ability to work its way through the regulatory maze. Let's introduce Gary Gensler, the SEC's current chairman. Their stance has a major influence on regulatory decisions that affect cryptocurrencies such as XRP. The fact that Gensler's identical brother has stock in a company that makes XRP investments adds mystery to this already intricate situation. This contrast draws attention to and raises concerns about possible conflicts of interest within the regulatory organizations in charge of regulating the Bitcoin industry. Conflicts of interest are more than just a theoretical issue. It emphasizes how closely personal relationships and policy decisions interact. Regulators are responsible for protecting the integrity of the financial system, yet their vulnerability to personal prejudices and familial influences highlights the difficulties in properly overseeing a quickly developing sector such as cryptocurrencies. However, as rumors about insider trading within regulating organizations like the SEC circulate, the story becomes even more complicated. Insider trading is the practice of someone having special access to sensitive information, using that knowledge to their advantage through trading. Allegations have surfaced regarding XRP, indicating that SEC officials might be informing their relatives about upcoming regulatory actions that could affect XRP's price. Insider trading raises questions about the fairness and openness of regulatory judgments, weakening investor confidence and casting a shadow of doubt over the regulatory process. Such claims, if true, might have a significant impact on XRP's market trajectory, perhaps causing investor confidence to decline and igniting demands for further transparency from regulatory organizations. All things considered, XRP is essentially negotiating a regulatory maze full of obstacles, from the SEC classifying it as a security to resolving possible conflicts of interest and insider trading accusations inside regulatory circles. If these issues are not resolved, they could have a significant impact on XRP's future and position in the larger cryptocurrency market. What do you think about that court case? Is XRP Ripple going to win? Will that have an impact on XRP Ripple's price? Tell me in the space provided for comments. That's not the end, though. Proceed with your journey. Amidst the constantly changing cryptocurrency market, there have been rumors circulating that major players like JP Morgan are dabbling in XRP. So it's important to address the doubts about these assertions' veracity before we dive into their consequences. The rumored investment in XRP by JP Morgan, a financial behemoth known for its sway over traditional banking, may appear to be a revolutionary move. Nevertheless, some in the Bitcoin community have questioned the accuracy of these assertions. Regarding the veracity of the sources presenting these claims and the supporting data, doubts have been raised. Even with the skepticism, the idea that banks like JP Morgan are considering XRP has a big impact on whether or not it is adopted and accepted in mainstream finance. If verified, this indicates a change in traditional financial institutions' perceptions of XRP, which might lead to a wider acceptance and integration of the technology into the current financial infrastructure. Let's now turn our attention to the domain of community conjecture and projections on the future worth of XRP, an issue that consistently captures the interests of investors and amateurs alike. Of all the forecasts that are circulating in the XRP community, Jack the Rippler is the name that sticks out. Jack the Rippler's audacious assessment of XRP's $589 worth has drawn interest and generated lively discussions among the community.